the weather. What's going on tomorrow?
Yep, so tomorrow we do have that chance for severe weather, tornadoes, gusty winds, heavy downpours all on the table. Chief Meteorologist Richard Scott and I will be here monitoring radar, making sure if any warnings do pop up, we will be live, making sure everything is covered for that severe weather coverage tomorrow. If anything, hopefully, nothing bad happens, but if anything happens, we will be live.
Alrighty, with any luck, we'll all be good to go, but good to know we're in good hands tomorrow for sure. Alrighty, well, thank you guys so much for watching with us. That is our report for tonight. Thank you so much. We're always on with updates on WVUA23.com and all of our social media platforms. For all of us here, have a great night.
A weekend full of advisories, a winter weather advisory, a severe weather watch, and a cold weather advisory. We'll talk about what this means for you coming up.
Look at that weather. Grace, is it going to get better anytime soon?
Hey, Anthony, unfortunately, I come bearing bad news. We are in the middle of what this storm is going through right now. A absolutely significant winter storm is making its way east through the United States. More locally here, we are only dealing with rain. This is a very good thing. Temperatures are not cold enough to produce ice, sleet, and snow. But northwestern counties, seeing that ice accumulation all day today. Temperatures are actually warming up as we head into the overnight hours, so you'll start to see more rain throughout the state. This weekend is full of weather advisories, so we are under that winter weather advisory for portions of northern central Alabama, and then we have the threat for severe weather for your Sunday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. We have the threat for isolated tornadoes and very gusty winds. We're going to talk more about that later, and then we have the threat for very dangerously cold temperatures to move in for the start of your work week. We're going to talk about everything you need to know coming up. Anthony? It's time to remember the 4 Ps, people, pets, pipes, and plants will be a great idea to run those pipes Sunday night. We'll talk about why after the break. Happy Saturday. We are in the midst of a massive winter storm making its way across the country. Over 25 states experiencing these conditions and over 200 million Americans. Locally here in Tuscaloosa, some areas are under those watches and warnings. More northern and northwestern counties under those ice storm warnings, seeing lots of freezing rain today. That has slowly died off as we head into the overnight hours. And then northern parts of central Alabama still in that winter storm watch. Continue to watch those really cold temperatures and watch that rain move in. Looking out at our Tuscaloosa camera, current temperature 43 degrees, so no snowflakes, no ice is going to live in these warmer temperatures. We've reached a high of 46 degrees today, but we're staying calm right now. Radar showing us calm conditions, but you can see lots of rain still moving through the area, and the rain is going to continue overnight and then especially for your Sunday. We have lots of threats this weekend. We're still under that winter weather advisory for portions of northern central Alabama, and then we have the chance to see severe weather tomorrow from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. That chance south of Montgomery at a 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather. This includes isolated tornadoes and then the chance for very gusty winds. Then after that storm moves out, we have the chance to, or we will see dangerous temperatures. It could feel like single digits waking up Monday morning as you head out the door. So looking at satellite and radar, you can just see this absolutely massive winter storm. Again, really harping on the fact that we are just getting rain here in central Alabama. That's going to continue through the weekend. Temperatures right now, 43 degrees, central Alabama in those 40s, but northern areas, Haleyville at 33 degrees, so still above freezing. They will not be seeing much freezing rain for the next couple of hours. Temperatures are trending cooler. So even though temperatures are cold now, we are dipping way down into the lower teens, 12 degrees Monday night into Tuesday. This is when you're going to want to run your faucets and protect your plants. Make sure you remember those 4 Ps, and temperatures stay pretty frigid as we head throughout the week. So keep that cold weather gear handy. The other thing we have to take a look at is severe weather for tomorrow. Tornadoes, high winds, and flooding all possible as the end of this storm does move through. So I'm going to let Futurecast play. This is the HRRR model, a high resolution model, 3:30 overnight. That heavier rain going to continue to move through the area. Some of these storms are going to pack a punch. If temperatures were below freezing, this would be terrible for central Alabama. So thankfully, temperatures will be above freezing. That line moves out by 2 p.m. tomorrow. So looking at that 7-day forecast, you'll see Monday morning, we do actually have the chance to see some flurries as temperatures are really cool, and we'll see the chance for those flurries as that moisture does leave the state of Alabama. So as we continue through the season, download our free WVUA 23 app and keep up to date with weather coverage and updates, as well as our social media platforms. Search Richard Scott, WVUA 23.
So definitely going to be a little bit chilly.
Yeah, maybe just a little chilly. I mean, seeing flurries Monday morning is definitely on the table. We'll definitely know by tomorrow exactly when that line moves out. But other than that, it's going to be freezing Monday morning. You're going to want a thick coat headed out the door.
Thick coat, and remember those 4 Ps?
Yes,
Alrighty.
the 4 Ps.
We will be right back in 2 minutes.